up, everyone? Welcome back. Today's video is very special because, like the title says, I just did my very first collab. I've been approached in the past with collab opportunities, and it was always tempting, but it never seemed like it was the right fit until now. And that's for a couple of reasons. One, because Bobbi Brown is a heritage brand. It's a brand I've been using for a really long time. I love their products, but also I got to team up with one of my besties to do this collab. It was actually really nice to have someone to go along on this journey with, because it's kind of like scary, like you've never done a collab before, you don't know what to expect. So Denise is someone that I have been friends with for about 6 years. We instantly became soul sisters, just like clicked so quick. And she's the person that I think I've probably told things to that I probably haven't told anybody else in my life. So when Bobbi Brown approached us, they said that they wanted to do a bestie collab, and they wanted each of us to create our own liquid lip color. Denise and I instantly knew we were gonna do nudes. There was no question about it. It was gonna be two corresponding nudes, a deeper shade and a lighter shade, two colors that could be used together, that could be worn on their own. For my color, I really wanted to create something that was a very coffee, chocolatey nude. But I also wanted to create something that women of all complexions could wear. So mine turned out to be a deeper nude, like a more chocolatey nude, and Denise's is a lighter peach nude. So the good thing about these two colors is, like I said, you can wear them on their own if that's what you prefer, but you can mix the two colors together and really come up with a range of like basically any nude you can possibly imagine. They really work very well together, and one thing I'm really proud of is the names that we came up with. Of course, we wanted the names to be corresponding to. What we wanted the names to represent was our friendship across the country. So I'm on the West Coast, she's in New Jersey, so we've had this friendship for the last 6 years, coast to coast. So we wanted to find names that would really represent that. And I think we came up with the perfect names. My color is called West Coast Bay, and Denise's color is called East Coast Slay. So you saw me use these in my last video, so I'm just gonna do another just demo showing you what each color looks like. So I'm actually gonna start out with Denise's shade. This is the lighter shade, like I said. It's like a warm peach tone. And the thing about the Crushed Liquid Lip formula is everybody who's been trying it has been telling us that it's such a good color payoff, but it feels like a balm. I think that's what's really special about this formula is it feels really nice on your lips. Even though it's a really nice opaque color, you get good color payoff. The feel of it on your lips actually feels like a lip balm. So I'm just going in directly with East Coast Slay. Again, just a nice, warm, peachy nude. And as you can see, the finish is like a nice satin finish with a good sheen over it. It's not super glossy, it's not matte. It's just somewhere in the middle where you get that nice natural sheen. So I went ahead and took that off. Now I'm gonna go in with West Coast Bay. So again, just applying directly. And there it is. This is West Coast Bay. My favorite thing to pair this lip with is an eye look like this. That's just kind of a mild, neutral, just wash of light brown or medium brown on the lids. And then this lip color complements each other really nicely. The whole goal of creating these two colors was to have something for everybody. Speaking of which, Denise and I, both of our favorite things to do with these colors is to mix them. It was almost like we had to create two colors, but really the perfect color was gonna be these two together. So I'm gonna show you how East Coast Slay looks mixed with West Coast Bay. So I'm just gonna go over it and mix the two together. And you have control over it. Like you can put 75% of West Coast Bay and 25% of East Coast Slay. You can do half and half. Like I said, you can create so many different nude tones just with these two colors. So anyway, Denise came out this summer for about a week so that we could do a meet and greet. We had an influencer dinner where we got to celebrate the launch of the product. It's just I don't know, like I said, it's my first experience with a collab. It's just really cool to see people coming in to support. I've been seeing like influencers wearing it. I'm like, whoa, I made that color. This was just a really cool experience, and I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. I know a lot of you on Instagram, who follow me on Instagram, have shared your photos and videos, and I'm so happy that you like it. If any of you have tried it, please let me know what you think. I hope you have got your hands on it. If you haven't, it's available at Sephora, so go grab it. I'm so glad I could share this with you guys, and hopefully there will be other collabs on the horizon. Anyway, that's it for today. Just wanted to share the good news. I hope you guys are having a great summer, and I'll see you in my next video. Some type of book that they've done, just like their positivity, energy they put out to the world. So it means so much that you guys came out